Hello, this is your coding kuya, your coding partner.
Alright, it will install Python on our computer. This installation is for Windows. So if you are using Windows, you can follow along with me. So the first thing that we need to do before we install Python is to verify if we have Python. You need to open up the command prompt. So let's open up this command prompt. If you don't have the command prompt, just search it and then just type cmd and then it will pop up this command prompt. So you can open multiple window for command prompt, but I will close the other one. So the first thing is to type python -- version. Alright, if you're getting this kind of message, it means that you don't have Python. Python was not found, so meaning you don't have Python installed on your computer. So the next thing that we need to do is to open up our browser and let's go Google our Python. I will type Python download. So I will download this. I'll go to this page, redirect to this page, and then I will download the latest version for Windows. So this is the download Python 3.11.5. This is the latest one. There's a lot of version below. There is a 3.12 already, but this is not yet released. So this is planned, but we will not use that. We will download this. So click the download button and then it will download here on your PC. So you can click the download icon and then open this. So it will open up the Windows Explorer. Under download, your Python installer is here. So let's double click that. It takes a while. Still spinning. That's Windows. So we have here use admin privilege in installing, yes, and then add. I recommend you to add this. Add Python exe to the path, and then I will not change anything here in the setup. Just click this. It will install to your folder, to this folder. Just click it and then it will pop up and then click yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Of course, yes. Click yes and then it will continue the installation. This will take a while, so I will come back once it's done. Alright, it's already installed, I think, this one. And then we will close now. Just close this window as well. So how do we verify if Python is already installed? So we need to open or go back to our command line and then type the same thing. So of course, if I enter this, we will get the same error. Why? Because we need to open up a new one. New command line. So close this and then open another command line and type another Python version. So we have Python here. Now that we already have Python installed, what is the next thing that we need to do? So we need to run Python. Just type Python and then enter, and then it will come up this Python command line. So you can program here, for example, print hello world. You need to do it first. Alright. Oh, we don't have T. Okay, sorry. My bad. And then we have hello world. And you can also calculate your number. Okay, so 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And then You can do it times as well. 2 times 3 equals 6. So that's how it is. Next thing is, how do we exit Python here? So we can exit by using exit, and then if you enter this, it will throw error because that is a function. Exit is a function, so we will do exit with open and close parentheses. Okay, so that's our first program. So now we can also use py. Okay, and then enter, and then we can achieve the same result. So the console here, we can also print hello coding kuya, or kuya, coding kuya, and then yeah, we get the same result. So another way to exit is Control Z or Control Z. So yeah, and then enter, and we already exit to the Python terminal. Alright, so what is the next thing that we need to do is can also go to our desktop. Okay, go to our desktop and then create a folder here. For example, I will go and put a Python folder, and then open up this, and then you can do this. Okay, and then new text document, click that, and it will give you this. So how to create a Python file? So just put hello.py. so that's our Python file, or Python program. It's Python script. Let's enter, and then yes, and then open up into IDE or text editor. For me right now, I will use text editors. I cannot run that, so I will choose this notepad. Okay, and then just once for now. And open up to other screen, so I will drag it here. So we will print hello world from file, so that we know that it's from file. So, and go back to your terminal or to your command prompt, and then let's go to this folder. And the next thing is, I will change directories, cd desktop. I will go to my desktop, press tab, Python, right? Because that's our folder that we created. Okay, we are here. Now, if I want to check what is the content of that folder, I will just dir, and then here we go. We have hello.py or py. How could I run that file? Just type Python and then the name of the file, hello, include the py, and then execute, and we get this value. So we printed the hello world from file. We can also use py and then hello.py, so we can get the same result as well. That's our Python, a different way how we run Python. The next thing that we need to do is to open our browser again, and then download PyCharm. So just PyCharm. This is one of the best IDE. So this is PyCharm from JetBrains. Let's go to that page, and we are redirected to this. We have pre-30 day trial. We will not go to this. We will go down and get the community edition. Alright, download it. And again, it will take a while to download, depends on your computer speed or internet speed. So you can follow again here at the top right corner. There's a icon there, and then click that and you can follow. I will come back once downloaded. Alright, it's already downloaded. So let's go to that folder, download folder. And this question, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Of course, yes. So click yes. This. Just click next. And then I will not change anything here. So I will just stay to the folder that this PyCharm suggested. So I just click next. Then PyCharm Community Edition, you can create a shortcut on your desktop. You can just add and then create associated. I will not click some, and then add open folder as project. This, I think this is one of the most important so that you can open up. So click this, click, and click install. And then it takes a while again to install. So extracting all the files needed and install to your computer. Alright, we already installed. So do you want to reboot manually? So yes, I will reboot manually. So I'll just click finish for now. Then let's try to open that. So I'm here, and then search that PyCharm. So this is our PyCharm in the app. So I click this, and then do not import anything. So I will not import anything. I just open up, and then create new project. Okay, there is a virtual environment, blah blah blah. I just ignore everything for now. Just create and boom. I will maximize. And then we have Python project. And in Python project, we have the main Py. So just want to delete everything, and then I'll just print. Do the same thing. Print. Hello world. Hello world, and then you can run from here, or you can also run from here. You have run main. So just click run or run here, or Alt Shift F10. Okay, this main, and here we go. We have hello world in our terminal result. So that's all for now. I think we will proceed to our true programming next time. So the thing that we installed today is very essential. So we need the Python and we need PyCharm. So, this is a real world programming. So we will not use terminal because real program needs a text editor or IDE. So I prepared using IDE. So if you want to use like VS Code, you can go to that, but you can follow me using PyCharm. If you are new in this channel and you want to learn Python, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell or button so that in the next time that I will upload Python Basic, will be notified. So until next time, this is your Coding Kuya. Code with passion.